And the next speaker is Daniela from Spacemanic.
Hello, everyone.
Daniela, the floor is yours, please.
Thank you so much. So I'm gonna share my screen real quick. Just a quick introduction. I represent Spacemanic. We are a Czech nanosatellite mission provider, which means that we are building satellites and we send them to space. But obviously, as a one-stop shop for the customers, we also figured out throughout the years that it is very important to educate not only our customers, but also the generations that might one day become our customers or even our employees. So we are definitely focusing on, let's say, educational activities in our work. And I would like to introduce a couple of projects, or let's say hardware in that sense, and some other initiatives that we are supporting. Primarily, Spacemanic is nanosatellite manufacturer, including our own CubeSat components and subsystems. But we also created a couple of tools. I would like to start with the CubeSat, and this is an important tool that we've prepared, and I think a lot of people are familiar with the CubeSat initiative. It's a popular international competition all throughout the world that allows younger generations, students, and even maybe of all ages to start dipping their toes into the waters of some space technological projects. And we've developed this in order to help these initiatives in Czech Republic and Slovakia. So this is our very simple tool. And it is great because it connects the engineers, the possible future engineers, and the interested youth, and allows them to prepare their own experiment. This CubeSat is, for those that are not familiar with it, Coca-Cola can-shaped satellite that is usually either taken to well, not space already, but to the edge of space, let's put it that way, either by airplane, super small rocket, or even stratospheric balloon. And then there are some, obviously, mentorships going on when we are helping those teams to kind of figure out what the experiment should be, how it should look like, and then there is local and regional finales where all the teams present their achievements, and it is an excellent activity that we believe is a great first step to the satellite technology. We were actually working on this with a student group. So in Spacemanic, we really believe in supporting all sorts of student projects. So there is a Czech Rockets Society, and with their rockets, we were helping to take these CubeSats this year to the heights, and then judging and helping the teams to find the winner and to see how their experiment eventually did. The other one is another initiative that we are supporting along with our nonprofit entity that we have in Slovak Republic, Slovak Organization for Space Activities. And it is an AstroPi competition. And this is maybe, let's say, a different take on trying to do something spacey, so to say. And there is this Raspberry Pi computer that can be programmed either to create some image or to create an experiment. And the winners of this competition have their experiment or picture presented on the ISS. So for younger generations, again, this is excellent way into the space industry, trying out their luck in a competition like this. Further, I would like to talk about our kit. And this is, let's say, an advanced technology. I would just say this is the last step before the real satellite technology. So we've developed this SchoolSat, as the name suggests. It's an educational kit, an educational satellite that we created to help people gain all sorts of skills. And on one hand, you can either get this from us completely disassembled, and you can learn everything linked to this assembly, so specifically soldering and just working with this small electronics. So this yet again Arduino-based kit, but it has all the subsystems such as are found in the real CubeSat technology, in real CubeSats, and it comes with a, let's say, simulated ground station. So on this picture that I'm sharing, you see this dongle that is connected to the computer, and this way it is actually possible to simulate and create your own satellite mission. So pretty much this satellite comes with a mock-up payload of various sensors, such as accelerometer, thermometers, gyros, pressure sensors, and anything else. It can be also a little bit customized. And it also has GPS, so you can imagine all sorts of things that you can try and do with it. So basically you program it, you have someone running around with this CubeSat and someone on the computer doing the readings and analyzing all the data. So this is something that we feel is very useful for, I would say, almost university level, even grammar school level of students. Again, we are talking about just around €1,000 for such kit, which can be reused over and over again and used by many kids to try and learn the basics of space engineering. There is a lot of overlap with all the disciplines, such as like electronic engineering, even like orbital mechanics, and all sorts of these things that together are creating this passion for space. And for us, this is very important, and we feel that this is a way how to maybe get to space industry yourself one day. Lastly, I would like to just mention, obviously, as Abdul Rahman was already speaking about this, the best way how to go about really doing research and really studying about satellite technology is having your own satellite. So recently, we've actually developed and prepared, and this is currently actually waiting for its launch in still this year on Falcon 9 rocket. This satellite, it's a student satellite. It's called LazarSat. It is obviously carrying an experiment that students design based on using a laser beam to, let's say, revive some defunct satellites in orbit. And this is, I think, the best example of how you can take the students and the young people and have them have their own experience in the space industry. And we are very happy to be able to create such project for them. And hopefully these are the kids that will be the next generation of aerospace engineers. And we are very, very lucky to work on such project. And we believe this is something that should be happening in more and more universities throughout the world. And this is how I would maybe actually like to invite people who are thinking about how to approach these educational topics in their educational industries to reach out to us, and we'll be very happy to look into this with them. So thank you very much. I hope I was quick enough.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Okay, thank you so much, Daniela, for your presentation.